Dishwasher troubleshooting water supply issues. Dealing with water supply issues in your GE dishwasher can be frustrating. These issues can disrupt your dishwashing routine. Understanding and addressing these problems can help maintain your dishwasher's performance. Checking water inlet. The water inlet valve controls the flow of water into the dishwasher. First, ensure the valve is open. If it is not, your dishwasher will not fill with water. Locate the valve, usually under the kitchen sink. Turn it counterclockwise to open it. If the valve is open and you still face issues, inspect the water inlet screen. This screen can become clogged with debris. To check this, disconnect the water supply and remove the screen. Clean any visible debris with a brush. Reattach the screen and reconnect the water supply. Inspecting hoses. Hoses are critical for water flow to your dishwasher. Inspect the supply hose and drain hose for any kinks or blockages. A kinked hose can restrict water flow, causing issues. Straighten any kinks you find. Next, check for leaks. A leaky hose can reduce water pressure. Look for water puddles or damp areas around the hose connections. Tighten any loose connections and replace damaged hoses if necessary. If you have checked both the water inlet and hoses and still encounter problems, it may be time to consult a professional. Addressing these water supply issues early can save you time and money in the long run. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching video.